Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how version and autosaving works in Lion. So in this particular example, let me use TextEdit. And I'll just write something down to demonstrate it. I'll just write first line and then save it. Okay, just like any project, when you save, pick a name, and it saves the file. And let me continue working on it. I'll write down the second line and then I'll save it again. Now this time, when you look at the save, you'll notice that it says save a version. That means you can save this version and still keep the previous one. Well, I'll show you how it works later, so let me just save this version and let me just work on the third line. And save it again. So now I have 3 versions. If I ever want to go back for any reason, I can do so by clicking this triangle and go to browse all versions. Then it'll take me back to all the versions that I saved. So right now I only have 3, but I can go back to the second one or the first one, like so. If you've been working on a project for weeks, you should be able to see all your versions, and you can go back by clicking on this timeline as well. Like I said, there's only 3 right now, but I can go back by clicking this. And if you ever wanted to go back to a particular project, just click it and click the restore, and it'll go back like so. Now let me briefly explain these other options that you see when you click this. There is the lock function where you can lock your file so the version doesn't take over and accidentally, you go back. So if you ever wanted to modify it, just click the duplicate, and I would recommend you to, save the first version since it has a lock on it, and just create a copy and edit that one. Anyway, I'll erase this and unlock the file again, so I can go back to my latest version. Let me go back to that file really quickly. Anyway, that's how version works in Lion. Next, let me talk about how autosaving works. So I'll create a new file and write something down again. Now this time I'm not gonna save this file, so let me write down not saving. Okay, so let me quit TextEdit. Again, I did not save this file, and usually those files that you don't save are erased. They're gone. They're history. But if I launch TextEdit again, the file I didn't save is still there. It's because autosaved saved it for me. So if I ever want to erase it, what do? I actually just have to click the X button, and then it'll ask if I don't want to save it, and if I confirm, now that file is really gone. So even if I quit TextEdit and reopen it again, that file is really gone. So this autosaving function is great if you experience like a application crash or it freezes and you have to force quit. You won't have a chance to save the file, so autosaving gives you a second chance to save it or not. So there you go, version and autosave in Lion. That's how it works. Now please note that not all applications have this function, so you might want to double check if your app supports it. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.